Building a high-trust, high-performance civil engineering team is one of the most critical factors in delivering successful projects. It goes far beyond hiring talented engineers or assigning tasks. True high performance comes from creating a culture where collaboration, transparency, and accountability are embedded into every stage of a project. Civil engineering projects, whether focused on land development, drainage systems, infrastructure planning, or grading and site design, require precise communication and a deep respect for each team member's expertise. When these elements are present, teams can navigate complex challenges with efficiency and confidence. Before diving deeper, consider this: your insights matter. Share your experiences and perspectives on what makes a civil engineering team excel with AXA engineers, and contribute to a broader understanding of how trust and performance shape successful projects. Engaging in these conversations helps the industry grow and promotes the adoption of best practices across teams worldwide. A high-performing civil engineering team is characterized by clear roles, shared objectives, and a culture that encourages both innovation and constructive feedback. Trust forms the foundation of this performance. When team members trust one another, they are more willing to share ideas, raise concerns, and solve problems collaboratively. This level of trust also reduces errors and misinterpretations in technical designs, saving both time and resources. In large-scale civil engineering projects, even small errors can cascade into significant delays or additional costs, making trust among team members an essential asset. Building trust requires consistent communication, openness to different perspectives, and recognition of each engineer's unique skills. Teams that invest in building trust often see higher morale, better problem-solving, and more effective knowledge transfer. In practical terms, this might involve regular design reviews, mentoring sessions, and opportunities for engineers to voice concerns without fear of judgment. It also means celebrating successes and acknowledging the contributions of individuals, reinforcing a culture where trust and collaboration thrive. Performance in civil engineering is closely tied to process optimization and technical excellence. Teams that follow systematic design workflows, maintain rigorous quality checks, and leverage advanced tools such as Civil 3D for land development are better equipped to deliver accurate, reliable results. Encouraging engineers to take ownership of their responsibilities while supporting one another ensures that deadlines are met without compromising quality. Leadership plays a crucial role in this ecosystem by setting clear expectations, providing guidance, and promoting a culture of continuous learning. A well-led team balances autonomy with accountability, ensuring that each member feels empowered to contribute their best work. High-trust, high-performance teams can also benefit significantly from strategic collaboration with specialized outsourcing partners. Civil engineering firms increasingly leverage outsourcing to scale their operations, manage workloads, and maintain design accuracy. By engaging with outsourcing providers, internal teams can focus on high-value engineering tasks while ensuring that projects stay on schedule and adhere to the highest standards. This approach not only enhances efficiency but also reduces the risk of bottlenecks in critical phases of a project. These principles are applied daily by leading outsourcing providers such as AXA Engineers, supporting civil engineering firms in scaling their design operations with reliability and precision. Through thoughtful integration of outsourcing solutions, teams can enhance project outcomes, maintain a strong culture of trust, and accelerate delivery timelines without compromising quality. Outsourcing partners like AXA Engineers bring specialized expertise and structured processes that complement the skills of in-house teams, creating a seamless workflow that maximizes both performance and efficiency. Ultimately, building a high-trust, high-performance civil engineering team requires a combination of careful planning, clear communication, strong leadership, and strategic collaboration. It is about creating a culture where engineers are empowered, processes are optimized, and every project is approached with precision and accountability. For teams that embrace these principles, the benefits are significant: higher morale, fewer errors, faster delivery, and more innovative solutions to complex challenges. For those looking to explore practical ways to strengthen their civil engineering teams, AXA Engineers provides expert support in design and project implementation. Follow AXA Engineers to discover more about civil engineering outsourcing and learn how collaboration, skill, and innovation come together to drive success.